portion of that video. The wall here is actually a 9mm. It's been covered with aluminum foil, and this is the thumbtacks. I put the thumbtacks here so that it looks neat and straight. I painted 3 layers of paint: red oxide, base, primer, and the top coat. So this part here is to prevent the water from destroying the board or rain from disturbing the board. And the bottom here is supported by 2 screws, one here and the one on the other side. The wall there is supported by 2 screws as well. Okay, there and there, 2 screws. On the top part, I'll be putting styrofoam to cover completely, because this is a 4 feet board, 4 times 8 feet. But because of the 4 feet, it is not high enough to cover entirely, so I'll be completing it with using styrofoam. Okay. At the front here, the side here is supported by the round beam. In my next video, you will see how I do this. And also, in my video called The Fence Up, you will see how I cover the fence using the aluminum sheet. These are all rusted aluminum sheet painted with oxide, primer, and top coat. And then I secure the aluminum foil using wire. Now, during this crisis of COVID-19, we are not very sure who are the neighbors renting in, renting out, because the neighbors are foreigners and they are coming in and out all the time. So it is best to fence up your wall to prevent unnecessary viruses from coming in. You don't need. Just loaded up all the discs. So these are your discs. It will bring you to virtual disk. The virtual disk is disabled. Let me enable it and apply. Whether you apply or not, see reverse. Oh, great! I didn't change. I think it's because of the hardware problem. My Wi-Fi